Hello, Cancer. Full Celtic cross. Full Celtic cross for Cancer. Remember, this may not resonate with all Cancers. You got to say that every time in the beginning, but no one really listens. And realize that I always look for a positive reading, but if that doesn't happen, we will work through it, you know? I don't leave you hanging, or I try not to. Dealing with an over-controlling person or situation, or trying to regain control from a chaos, you know, with the Emperor in reverse. For some of you, you may be dealing with the Aries, but not necessarily. I consider this more of an energy. For some of you, may be actually dealing with an Aries. You're trying to become unchained or unbound or some way get out of interference with the Eight of Swords in reverse. You're trying to break free. What's crossing it? Maybe you're having trouble doing so for some reason with the Knight of Cups. This could be you, or it could be that you're waiting on something. It also could be that you are attempting to break free and may actually do so. Because with the Knight of Cups, this is what is crossing the Eight of Swords, is someone is definitely trying to break free from a trapped situation. Your goal is lust, not necessarily the lust you're thinking. It's wants and desires and needs in life. So this is what you're going towards. This is what you're wanting. You got needs, you know? Ooh. Foundation, the universe, something ends and something else begins. Karmic cycles end and something new begins. This is a way I learned what the meaning is, and it usually does resonate. So yeah, you're going for something else. In the past, you suffered heartbreak and sorrow, and maybe that's why you are now breaking free and going for the things that you desire most. In the very near future, you are a manifestor, Cancer. Oof. Magician in the upright. You have the tools and knowledge to do what you're wanting in life. This is like a pass from the universe to say, let's get doing this. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Don't worry about things that didn't work out in the past. Go for the things that will work for you. Go to the things, don't be in a negative mindset. Because you could be the one crossing this situation where you feel like you can't break free, but you can, because the universe is opening that door. What is coming towards you, the outside environment, is why is this occurring beyond your control? Because you had no blessings and growth from the Three of Swords. Your hopes and fears, you're trying to come out of worry. You want to come out of not having enough. You want to come out of feeling abandoned and neglected all the time. In the end, you will be still dealing with this person or situation with the Prince of Wands. It's not necessarily that it's going to override you, but it's saying that you can manifest what you're wanting and go and end the karmic cycle and start another. The problem is you doing it. The universe is giving you a free pass, but you may stop yourself because of the outside environment where someone broke your heart in some way. And this is where Tarot helps us. It's showing us we can get out of this situation, because with the Eight of Swords, there's always a way out. So let's see what's going to happen, or what could happen, and what you can do to change the situation. Now, like I said, you got the Eight of Swords. What's crossing is the Knight of Cups. I do believe that is you now. When I see all these cards, you are in the way. You got to start going for what you're wanting. If you do not go for what you're wanting, nothing will come about. If you go for what you're wanting, you can change the outcome and go with you can go to the near future and do what you should be doing, and that way you can possibly get rid of heartache. If you choose not to go for success, which the universe is saying is there, that things are changing. If you choose to be stagnant and go back to a karmic cycle where one should end, then you will find yourself in the same situation. This is your choice, Cancer. This is showing you have a choice. So let's find out. The Eight of Swords in reverse, the Knight of Cups crossing it. Why are you there for Cancer? In other words, don't go backwards, Cancer. Yeah, breaking free from a negative situation with the Seven of Swords in reverse again. Hold on just a second. I heard something banging around out there. It's nothing. So it's showing you breaking free from a situation. It's up to you whether you do it, though. It's like you're having troubles for some reason because of heartbreak. Maybe someone keeps on coming back into your life, or you're having trouble putting them from you. But the Eight of Swords in reverse, the Knight of Cups crossing it, the Seven of Swords in reverse while you're there for Cancer as a subject at hand. So that's what you need to change straight off, a failed situation. You need to straighten your own self up. I'm not saying you were in the wrong. I'm saying that you need to make a conscious decision, because the Seven of Pentacles is someone looking at past failures. And they're wanting to break free, but they must make the steps to do so. You must make the steps to do so. Now, what crowns you is the Lust card, desires, wants, needs, what you really want in life. So the Lust card in the upright while you're there for Cancer as what crowns them, or the goal. That's you again, Knight of Cups. I love the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups is always a good omen. So your goal is to get what you're wanting, Cancer. And there are blessings in with that when I see the Knight of Cups in the upright. So you may some of you will actually do this and some will not. It's really a choice in this hand, in this spread, the way it's shown to me. So the Lust card in the upright, Knight of Cups in the upright is the goal while you're there for Cancer. So it's like a crossroads. Yeah, with the Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or getting passions back, like I said, or going for the desires you want in a person with passionate behavior. It's all kind of things, but it's going for what you're wanting in a nutshell. Now, the foundation is a karmic cycle. It's supposed to end and go on to something else. It's up to you. So the universe in the upright is the foundation. Why are you there for Cancer? Why are you there? Tell us more. Yeah, coming out of go on, like I said, from a karmic cycle to overcome this Ten of Swords energy, which is in reverse. You want it in reverse. It's coming out of ruin. If you're able to move forward and go on to something new, a new world, jumping into something new that is ending karmic cycles and starting new things to end a betrayal situation that is no longer serving you. It's up to you. So, the universe in the upright, Ten of Swords in reverse for Cancer. Why are you there as a foundation? And make a decision with the Aeon. That's a final decision. You need to make one where you want to go in life. The High Priestess, I'm going to put that there. It could be here or there. This one, if it were here, it would be listen to your inner self. If it's there, there's about secrets, things hidden, and you know that you were right about a heartbreaking situation in the past also. So the Three of Swords, the High Priestess, both in the upright in the past position for Cancer. Why are you there? You were wanting to celebrate and have fun. You were wanting to be with the person you were wanting to be with, but they caused heartbreak. And it's a very good possibility that someone stepped out, whether you or the other person. And maybe you found out about it and now you're having trouble staying in that situation of heartbreak or moving on. You're at a crossroads, Cancer. It's up to you. It really is. But let me go back. Let me go to the forward of the Magician. What happens when you do manifest your situation? What happens when you manifest the things you want? So the Magician in the upright, while you're there in the very near future for Cancer. This is a position you want to take, by the way. Moving on from troubled waters and going towards something you're wanting with the Six of Swords. Some of you may actually want to move if this is your desire, or like I said, move from troubles. And if you do move, you could be moving towards like where water is. Okay. So the Magician in the upright, Six of Swords in the upright, in the very near future for Cancer. Why are you there? Why are you there? Yeah, and put something to rest that needs to be. Don't resurrect it again. Don't resurrect heartbreak. Don't resurrect interferences in your life. Go for the things you're wanting. Now, possible future outcome and advice from the universe. I'm thinking the universe is saying don't go back from things that were unsuccessful. Because if you do, it's just going to break your heart over and over again. it's wanting you to go and use your inner self, use your own powers to move forward. But for some of you that don't want to do that, want to stay back where you are, you got the Six of Pentacles. Why are you there? For Cancer. Yeah, go for hope. Go for the things that are good for you. Go for the things that will pan out for you. You know, do you? Now, the Six of Pentacles in reverse, the Star card in the upright. Why are you there? For Cancer. Yeah, and get away from strife and the things that no longer serve you, as the Five of Wands in reverse. Don't battle with people. Don't battle with situations that don't need to be battled with anymore. Put to rest the things that need to be put to rest. Don't try to resurrect them, or do not let them come back into your life, because you don't have to. Now, the outside environment is the Empress in reverse. This is beyond your control. There is no growth in this situation you were in that caused heartbreak, that caused you to feel that you were trapped. So, the Empress in reverse, why are you there? For Cancer, as the outside environment. What are you there for? There's that Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, you're going to have to break free, because this thing is no growth. Breaking free from something that is no longer a blessing, that is no longer any growth in that. You know, this is a situation that was out of control. This that caused all this. This is what's causing all this. So, the Empress in reverse, the Eight of Swords in reverse again. Why are you there? For Cancer, as the outside environment. What was causing all this beyond your control? And just regain your own strength, because the energy is going to be zapped if you don't. It's saying go for your own strength, because you need to break free from a situation that is unfruitful. Okay? Now, your hopes and fears is that you'll feel left out. You're worried. You want to break from, you want to come out of worry. So the Five of Pentacles in reverse, why you there? For Cancer, as the hopes and fears. Why you there? For Cancer, huh? Do you want to come out and go let it? There's that karmic cycle again, and heartbreak. Come out of heartbreak. So yes, a lot of you are wanting to start a new situation, end a karmic cycle, and start a new situation to come out of sorrowful situation. Just make sure it doesn't try to creep back and resurrect in your life. It's saying to manifest something to move on from a troubling situation. Like I said, for some of you, you may actually move. In the end, you will still be dealing with this Prince of Wands, whatever it is, this energy, this very energy that you're not liking right now, that probably caused a lot of sorrow for you. And in some cases, you may cause sorrow for them. This person who or situation, whatever it is in reverse. So it's up to you how you handle it. Like I said, you are at a crossroads. Are you going to accept this person and keep him in your life, or are you going to manifest something else? It's up to you, Cancer. Leave it in the comments. Are you keeping this person, or are you rejecting it and going with something else? Because it shows a crossroads here for Cancer. So Prince of Wands in reverse, while you're there is the outcome for Cancer. You will be dealing with this person still. There you are in the upright trying to handle the situation, but they're still not able to fly right with you. You are in the upright. You are taking things in control in an emotional sense. You are dealing with it. But maybe you will overcome it for a lot of you. But I see some of you trying to take this person, in your life over again. It's up to you. It's none of my business. But it's saying that there's a lot of heartbreak and sorrow if you do, because this person in the end is still in reverse. This is what you're trying to manifest. So the Prince of Wands in reverse, the Prince of Cups in the upright. Why you there's the final outcome for Cancer. I'm just telling you like it is. There may be somebody else in the mix. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra in the upright. Yeah, there's no gain in the situation and staying in a heartbreaking situation. There's no gain for you with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse if you choose to stay in it. It's up to you. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I am not going to tell you what to do. But it's up to you. You're at a crossroads. One more card for the ending. I need one more card for all these, for the outcome. Ace of Swords in reverse. Try to cut something out that'll be difficult. A negative situation. You need to cut out the negatives and deceptive behaviors. It doesn't matter who's doing what now. It needs to be cut out so you can manifest and get what you're wanting. Otherwise, like I said, some of you will go for this magician. You will go for the things you want. You will move on from the troubled waters. Others will accept this person or situation back that is causing you heartbreak. So tell me, which Cancer is going to do what? Who's going to take who back? Are you going to take this person back and still deal with it and try to manifest it with them? Or are you going to try to manifest a new situation, a new cycle in life? Tell me in the comments. I'll talk to you later. Bye.